how they got a clue. Don't just sit there and not give a darn. Here's what you need to do. IOPs correspond to the who of a statement, but the verbs match up with the direct object. If you match me with Gustar, there's a major issue. Gustar would match a Libro instead of me. Same applies for late, no slaves. Always match direct objects with the verbs, or else we'll find you. Seriously, like, not joking, we'll hunt you down. Don't mix it up. If you use these methods, not a question will be missed. And most importantly of all, misspellers won't get pissed. So don't make our teacher blow a brain cell because of ignorance. Not too shabby.